I hear Zahra, and I know that you hear her.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
What's your name?
Syed Mohsin Shah.
Said Mohsin Abbas Shah. How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
MashaAllah, amazing. You've been reciting Noha for how many years?
Honestly, I don't know anymore. It's been a really long time.
Enjoying it?
Yeah.
Yeah? And looking forward to maybe reciting one day in Karbala? Because I don't think many people know that the winner of the Shia Voice will recite in Karbala for 10 nights. If they're a speaker, if they're a Quran reciter, if they're a dua reciter, or if they're reciting Al-Atmiya or Noha, you will go to Karbala. Have you ever been to Karbala?
No.
No. Would you like to go to Karbala?
Yes.
Amazing. I love that smile. Go ahead and recite for us, please.
Well, I had two people that told me to do the Shia Voice. That was my auntie and my other uncle as well. So like, because I have a class as well, a Noha class. As soon as I came out of that class, they said, Mohsin, you should do this. And I signed up, and now this is where I am right now. Ya Ali, Ya Ali, Ya Ali, Ya Ali. दुआएं देगा कोई चीख चीख कर एक दिन खिलाफ दीन नहीं है अली अली कहना वो अपने माँ की शिकायत करेगा महशर में कि उसने क्यों न सिखाया अली अली कहना जानम फिदा है दरी या अली 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 जानम फिदा है दरी या अली 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 है मोहम्मद मेरा तो सीना अली मेरे जीने का वाहिद करीना अली दीन इस्लाम का है नगीना अली हक की मंजिल का पहला है दीना अली तश्त में अब्र का पहला कतरा अली मेरा मुर्शद भी आका भी मौला अली अली मौला अली हर सू सदा है दुरी या अली अली that one was for you.
My dear judges, who wants to go first? Say it, Nathan, please.
MashaAllah, I'm so proud of you. You know, this composition is such a daunting task.
It is.
This particular manqabat, it has all the variations. It has high, it has low. You're very young still. I hope that you find someone that can perfect your voice. You have a very nice tone. I like the huskiness in your voice, the breathiness. I like that. But sometimes that can, make you run out of breath if you're using a lot of your breath. Try to sometimes use your chest voice, your throat, variate it. MashaAllah, I'm very proud. I'm glad you started this process.
First of all, I did this for the Ahlul Bayt and my granddad. Because I've been starting to recite since a very young age, I'm used to it. I'm like, I can do this for the Ahlul Bayt, and I just express what I have.
as Syed Mesum said, yeah, you are still young, yeah, you are in the beginning of the road, yeah, keep all this in your mind, just practice. With practice you will be much better, yeah, bravo. Yeah. And the practice on majlis, yeah, not only at home, yeah, go to majlis, ask him, beg them, please let me recite, yeah, recite in majlis, yeah.
Honestly, if I couldn't make it, at least in my head I'll say, we tried to get there, but it didn't work out. But inshallah, I will go and succeed in my life.
Yeah, I love the color coordination of the clothing. You know,
it's pristine, by the way.
You know, because you need to have that. Listen, if you're gonna be a public figure, you want to always be looking quite swag. I'm not sure about the other three alongside me, but but you've got that poise. I loved it. There was a moment of control, and there's this on the verge of a self-confidence when you were reciting, and that's what we want to look for as well. Yeah. There's somebody who's up there, and as soon as you saw us join you, you just started to flow even more. Absolutely. A bit of poise, a bit of swagger. Well done. Absolutely. It's very nice.
Ahsantum Sayyidina. Sayyid Jalal, lastly.
Sayyid Mohsin, beautiful recitation. I liked when you started saying Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Start your work with Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim as you did. I really appreciate that part. This nasheed is really difficult, but you did, mashallah, good job. And for the love of Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib and for the encouragement of Sayyid Mohsin Shah, I want you to do Nari Haydan, inshallah. Nari.
It's going to be a long one.
Subhanallah. Ya Haydari.
Ladies and gentlemen, please help me in thanking Sayyid Mohsin Abbas Shah. Thank you.